let's just start the third video. So about two videos you have to know, so and then I'll receive some link, so you show first two video and then second you have to show, because you have to know .hack. so let's say above video what happens, I have to do just show you. So in how to get API using some Postman, and how to post the data. So let's just send. So successfully data creating, and in show the Chrome browser blank array. So let's refresh the browser. So all API's data to get it in the task API. So you show that the successfully data can be fetched, and then also I have to create the database. Let's create the database in Robo3T. So let's the database name task. We save and connect, and refresh for the browser. So just refresh one time, and let's check the task in a router file. So you have to show the task message. For task message, create the table successfully and show the API. Sorry, this not. This is the task, and check the task message successfully. So 6 data in database. So successfully in at time. So let's start. What is the next step? Next step, I'll create the new cell, and let's move on the client side. So let's first cd client, and npx create react app client. This is the create the some basic structure in a React. So must be you have to not import and first always is small, you have to create the project. So let's just start the what happens to in a basic structure. So let's start ReactJs in a so basic package install is basic structure how to React work in using this NPM creatable. Its package is to a long time, so I my video to stop, and after finishing and then my video to start. So please wait. Let's say successfully basic structure in a React can be ready, and let's just cd client and npm, simply npm start. So what is the structure exactly in Chrome? Localhost 3000 for the default port number in ReactJs. So just wait for starting. Just a second. So running to development server. So you show the localhost 3000 default port number. And in this video I have to show the first I have to create the form, and on submit the data stored in the API and also in a database. How to using Redux, React, and some basic functionality. So this is the basic structure for React. So let's get the code and check the this is the main file for the src. So this is the some code. So I have to get out of the src file. So delete src file and create the new src file. So remove src simply, and then let's say start src folder, and src folder in two files create, app.js and index.js. Two files create, and let's say in app.js ReactJs is the default arrow function for the structure you have to create. So let's say h1 hello menu text name. Let's just save, and how to this app to import in index.js. So first to structure for the ready react DOM from react DOM, and then second to how to use this react DOM render, and get element by id like this, get element get of them. First import the app, and then import app from app, and listen to get element by id, but document dot get element by id using to JavaScript function. So let's say import, and root is the default for the no one app what is the root. So just simply save, and in this save also. So let's rerun your terminal. So npm start. So let's remove this one. So just simply running successfully, it means complete. And please like and subscribe for my channel and sharing my link. I hope you like. So then you have to share my link. Just check it. So see, successfully local 3000 in my text in app.js. So let's say hello manifest name successfully. And what is the next step? Next step is I will create two basic form. So let's say in first I have to create the component folder. So component folder create component folder, and in the component folder I have to create the form.js file, and let's say basic structure of arrow function RFCE. So let's say this is the form h1 form, and let's just save and import form in app.js. Let's say import forum from component /app, and simply import form / and let's just save and check the browser. Refresh. This is the form successfully import. Let's say I have to dummy text for the form. So let's say form code in ReactJs, and you have to get rid of them in this array ReactJs over. So let's say copy basic form syntax. So because video length is too big, too simply. So let's just simply get rid of them. And this I have to create in a backend file for the name, address, email and mobile number. So that's the address, name, email and last one mobile number. And then save and simply check the browser what happened. Let's check successfully 4 text is but here we will choose anyone click to and submit. You don't know any process. This is the not the complete how to use the form. So let's the back on code. So let's the import use state function is used to some set value on the text and set value on the database. How to set a value to create the using use state set the data. So let's say to task and set task and here initialization is get rid of them and in a curly bracket. So let's take name and this one address same as the to fill email and then mobile. And how to use in this for line and use it in here, but first use state is important in a React function. So default in a package. So let's just save and get this one value in a curly bracket task dot name and in value in a on change function and how to set the value. So let's say here arrow function define e to parameter and set the like name, sorry set the name, but already set the name in so let's just set the task in under let's say I show what happens task in under and then simply name and e dot target dot value to be set. So let's just set and here dot in under task in under value can be initializing like that and to set the value in here. So let's just save and check what happened. Studio nothing, but in set value must be using set state first set task and in this here set task in a task value and set the name. So thank you so much. See you in the next video and same as process for the this 3 field next video.